Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue expected channel name error. Let's fix it guys. I recommend watching this video once before trying the solution. The reason for this problem is that we are using Roblox old version guys. We will resolve this problem by refreshing Roblox. Refreshing Roblox will not harm our account in any way. To do this, you just need to open a browser and select this three dot icon and select settings. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, select third party cookies. Just need to scroll down, select see all site data and permissions. And in here, you just need to search for Roblox. Click on the trash icon and clear it guys. After deleting it, close it off here. And now you just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. In this folder you just need to search for Roblox. Right click on it and select delete it. After deleting it, you just need to double click on the temp folder and search for Roblox folder. Right click on it and select delete it. And after deleting these both folders, you just need to close it off here. Now you just need to open up browser. You just need to search for roblox.com. You just need to log in your Roblox account over here. After logging your account, you just need to click on any game and click on the play option. You just need to cancel it. Select this download and install Roblox option. We need to download Roblox again guys. After getting the installer done, you just need to install it. We have installed Roblox guys. Before opening the game, you just need to right click on the Roblox player and select properties. Select the compatibility tab and you just need to check mark this both option guys. Disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Both of it, check mark it and select apply and OK for save changes. After doing this, you just need to open up browser and now you just need to click on any game and open it. The Roblox should open without any issues guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like you guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.